What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So today I got that package I was talking about from Kelly's Mishmash. Miss Kelly herself made all this paracord stuff, and it's here in front of me. I'm super excited right now. Quick disclaimer, my buddy Robert at Robert Jones EDC made a similar video and had it put up yesterday. Robert, I got to confess, I didn't watch it all the way through because I wanted to be surprised. I left you a comment and a like and all that stuff, but I didn't watch it all the way through because I thought it would be kind of a spoiler of what I got in my package. So I do want to be surprised. If you guys already watched Robert's video, I'm sure it was great. Like I said, I'm going to watch it later. But and you don't want to sit through all this, that's fine. I get it. But the one person I really want to sit through all this and just see my true reaction is Kelly. And I promise you, my reactions are real. I don't play up to the camera or anything like that. I'm a 49-year-old dork, big kid who really loves knife stuff and EDC and lanyards and all that stuff. So this is all true reaction. As you can see, I'm shaking more normal. I'm excited. I'm about to get into it. And one other thing I just want to say real quick. I know I've said it before, but this community has changed my life, and it just keeps getting better and better. The way we share and just help each other out is nuts. It's amazing, and I do appreciate every comment and those folks who've been with me since day one, supporting me and just keeping pushing me. It means the world, definitely. Every comment makes me smile. Every interaction is just great. Things like this, like people going out of their way just to be nice and help me out with my channel. It's amazing. It's made a hobby, what started as a hobby, something really special. And I've made true friends. I've never seen you face to face, but hopefully someday I can meet some of you guys in real life. But it's amazing. I'm gonna stop before I start getting all misty and shit. Yeah, but no bullshit. There we go. The sticker pack already fell out of the package because I opened it. I didn't peek at anything else, Kelly, I promise. But look at this freaking thing. Look at that. Okay, there's a note. Let's read a note. Hope I don't embarrass you, Kelly. Jason, everything is yours to do with what you wish. Okay, she did actually hit me up on Instagram yesterday, thinking she might have forgot the note, but she said the same thing. And Kelly, I'm going to keep some of this stuff. I'm not going to lie. I am definitely going to keep some of this stuff because your stuff is awesome. Not sure exactly what's in here yet. I think you made something for my wife too, so definitely appreciate that. We'll see what it is when I get in there, but yeah, I'm going to share a bunch of it though. Definitely. I want to share your work with the community. I know everybody else does too, but I want to be part of that. So with my giveaways, as you can see, I got a bunch of Kelly stickers I'll go through in a second. I'll definitely be giving paracord stuff and stickers away, just to spread the word of a very kind lady who has become a very good friend of mine. And I'm doing it again. Damn it! No more emotional shit. Let's get all right. Let's get the big part out of the way, so I have room to look at stuff. And if Robert's video is better, that's fine because Robert's awesome, and Robert's my friend too. So, and yeah. So let's see what we got. All right, so I got a bunch of Kelly stickers, of course. Got the little monkey stuff, because monkey's fist, I guess. I've never seen this one. Boot up your ass. Nice. Booyah. Bunch of these. Okay, so these are mine. All right. We're not going to divvy them up all the way yet, but those are definitely mine because I'm not sure. I think I might have a couple more, but if I have doubles, I'll give them out. But these, I'll give out a few of these. Put one for me, one for me, one for you kind of thing. Then we got these are cool too. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Good colors on there. It's like that retro 80s, 90s kind of thing you used to. Anyway, without talking about it too much, I got a lot of stuff to look at. Bunch of these. So again, one for me, a bunch for you guys. And then I do have one of these already, but I'll keep another one just in case. But I'll put on a sticker board and some other areas. Gotta represent Kelly here. This is exciting. Good stuff. So I got a bunch of those. This is cool. Pickle steel. Okay, I've never seen this one before either. So again, stack for the giveies and one for me. This is fun. I love stickers. You saw those stickers I got from Ken last time, right? Jeez, I think I got almost everybody's stickers, active and inactive nowadays. Then a bunch of these pickled steels. Awesome. And this one I'm very happy to get because I actually want to put one of these, the one I got from Ken with the knife shapes, and I'm going to put this one here, I think. Right there. See, how's that going to work? Yeah, line it up right there. I'm gonna, let's decorate the desk a little bit more. So I'm gonna put that down there, and there's the note from Kelly. I'm already super happy. So many stickers. And Kelly, I mean, and everybody knows in the community, having stickers and stuff like this helps, beef up our giveaways, and just people who follow us, we can give them more than we would if we didn't have all this cool swag and stuff. So it definitely helps us out as far as being able to give back to the community in a bigger way and spread the word of each other's channels and just what we're making and what we're doing. It's kind of cool. I definitely appreciate the stickers. Let's get that back in the bag, and we'll move on to the next thing. I'm going to dig into this huge package. Oh, it's a huge package. I'm going to get lit up in the comments for that one. Someone's like, that's what she said. Anyway, so here we go. Next bag. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be a bunch of keychains and bracelets. All right, let's get into this. I'm going to dump it all out. I'm going to be a slob and dump this out on the desk. I'm going to have to clean it up in a second, but separate through. So we got a bunch of these. She picked so many freaking cool colors too. Yeah, I told her to go wild and nuts and just do what you got to do, because she was asking if I want to pick, priority of colors and stuff. I think, Kelly, you know this more than I do. So go for it. Use your imagination. And she did. And she got me a bunch of cool stuff. Look at all this. I don't even know how to separate it. So I guess these are bracelets. That's what they're looking like. So let's check them out real quick. This might be a long video, guys. I'm sorry, but I really got to get through this and look at everything. Wow, those are pretty cool. So I think my wife might be interested in a couple of these, but I'll give some of them out. I'll let her pick through them. How about that, Kelly? We'll let her go through and see what she wants out of those. And I think, okay, these are the big bracelets. These are cool. Now, if she doesn't want to wear, I will definitely sport one of these myself. And I think this, yeah, they're sizable. So yeah, I'd wear these in my video if my big dumb hand fits through it. That's all I maxed out to. But if my wife doesn't want this one, hey, I'll wear that thing. I like purple. Maybe this one might be more suited to me, I guess. We'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm surprised I can do it over my hand. Thanks for making the handhole extra wide for me, Kelly. But yeah, I'll let her pick what she wants. And now I'm going to keep one too, because I like paracord bracelets. Never know when you might need some paracord in the wild. But yeah, check that shit out. All right, I'm cussing and stuff. I don't normally cuss. I am a sailor at heart still. I mean, I spent a long 20 years in the Navy, so I'm gonna cuss every once in a while. Hope YouTube don't punch me in the face for it. What else we got going on? A bunch of zipper pulls, all these different colors. And oh man, look at these keychains. The DNA strand looking things. Some more. Jeez, how much stuff did you send, Kelly? Jeez, you're overdoing it. But I got all these DNA strand looking things, and then look at all that. That's just the first bag, guys. That is nuts. That's the first bag. Wow, Kelly, you're doing too much. I know making a reaction video is, to me, it's not enough. We take care of each other in the community. That's all I'm gonna say. We take care of each other. So I might have to send Kelly out a little something. I do have some paracord, Kelly, and I'm gonna send you anyway. But I think I'm gonna send you a couple other little things, just to show my appreciation, because this is too much. How much work went into this, honestly, and people don't realize that when we, they see us, we get these. This is my first one like this, but got my full name on there. Who cares? It's my name. My name's Jason. A lot of you guys already are learning that. So yeah, Shiro's my dog's name. You guys can still call me Shiro. I don't mind, but I'm not sure much people are here past this point anyway. So yeah, my first name is Jason, and you guys can call me that in the comments if you want. I don't mind at all. But Shiro's fine too. I actually like being called Shiro. My wife thinks it's funny as hell because it's actually my dog's name. But she's, they call you Shiro just like the dog. I'm like, yeah, I know, right? But here are some monkey fists, and this is where the weight comes in. All right, these are some. Oh man, you can clobber someone with that thing. Look at that. And again, just the colors. This one is mine. This digicami type of looking thing. Actually, maybe this one. I don't know if you guys know much about the Navy, but there was a point right before I retired. We went to blue camis, like blue BDU looking things. Dumbest design ever. It makes us blend in with the water. So I think they were downsizing, and they figured if we fell off the ship and we're wearing those, they'll never find us. I don't know. But now they're wearing the green just like everybody else. Anyway, so we got a bunch of these things, a bunch of monkey fists, and pretty neat, pretty cool. So again, I'm going to keep some of these, and I'm going to spread the joy. This video is going long already, but I just want to let Kelly know from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you so much. This is amazing, and Yeah, I'll share with the community. I mean, this one's cool. That's anyway. I'm gonna share with the community, but at the same time, I'm gonna keep some for myself. And I got a couple buddies, in real life, uh, that I see on the regular who might appreciate some of this stuff too. So, thank you, Kelly, so much. I appreciate you. Thank you all for watching. If you stuck through this long, thank you all my veteran brothers and sisters and all my military folks out there. Be safe. Keep your heads down. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.